Today we will talk about lenses. What's mean by camera lens? A camera lens is the eye of a camera, allowing us to see the outside world. It also works a lot like a human eye. That light passes through the lens and it focuses on the film or image sensor of a digital camera. The light carries the image that both you and the camera see. Camera lens, it is the only optical glass part in the camera, so that it should be clear. Zoom means that the lens magnifies the image captured, but fixed lenses can't glide between different magnifications. Zoom lenses have different focal lenses. So, what's mean by focal length? Focal length, by definition, is the distance between the optical center of the lens and the film or image sensor. This distance is measured by millimeters. So, what are the differences between zooming in and zooming out? Zooming in is the gradual changing of the lens from a wide angle to a narrow angle. For example, on television screen, a zoom in appears as the camera is moving smoothly towards the object, and zooming out is the changing of a lens moving away. The degree to which you can change the focal length of a zoom lens is the zoom ring of your lens. Then we will talk about the three main types of zoom lenses. First, telephoto lens. Telephoto lens is a lens with a long focal length. For example, if you are taking a picture of a mountain range, you might want to use a telephoto lens. Another example, if you want to film a scene showing little number of people in a protest, you can use this angle of view so the scene could also appear more crowded. This lens lets you zero in on a specific elements in the distance, so you can create tight composition. And the type of zoom lens, standard lens. Standard lens, a standard 50mm camera lens, doesn't significantly magnify the image, making it ideal for shooting objects that aren't especially close or far away. It matches the 50-degree human vision. Wide lens. Wide angle lens has the opposite characteristic of telephoto lens. This lens lets you exaggerate the distance and make things look further apart. This lens wider than 24mm and give much wider view, while fish eye lens is the lens with a very short focal length, as wide as 180 degrees. Finally, we can conclude that telephoto lens has a long focal length and gives a narrow angle of view, while standard lens has 50mm focal length and gives normal angle of view, and wide lens has a short focal length and gives a wide angle of view.